Sprouts! Today, we're learning to spell. Can you guess what letter each animal starts with? What letter does cow start with? Yes, cow starts with C. What letter does duck start with? Yes, duck starts with D. What letter does horse start with? Yes, horse starts with H. What letter does rooster start with? Yes, rooster starts with R. What letter does sheep start with? Yes, sheep starts with S. What letter does pig start with? Yes, pig starts with P. Good job, Sprouts! You guessed all the letters. See you next time!